If your Ford F-250 keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection, it is usually a simple fix rather than a hardware failure. Statistics show that 80% of connection drops are caused by low-quality cables or outdated software. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your sync system. Start by swapping your cable for an official one and clearing any debris from your phone charging port. Next, go into your phone settings to completely forget the truck and repair the connection from scratch. If problems persist, perform a master reset on your sync screen to clear out any corrupted background cache. Most users find success with simple resets, but internal hardware failure might require a professional shop visit. As the data shows, replacing your cable solves the vast majority of these frustrating connection drops. If you are handy with tools, use an OBD-I scanner to check for communication errors within the infotainment module. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot on the go if the connection ever drops again. Remember that persistence with software and cable configurations usually saves you a very expensive trip to the dealer. Try these steps today and get your F-250 back to a reliable connection. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.